Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this 2019 Volvo XC90 T6 R design. Probably my favorite spec on the XC90 out there, except for the Polestar. That thing's cool. This one, of course, is the Polestar engineered. This thing is so cool. That's not the sticker for this one. What does it say? 63995. It's not bad at all. Bowers & Wilkins sound system. This one has a 2-liter super and turbocharged 4-cylinder, 8-speed automatic, 316 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. Retail price of $63,995 as stated. Pretty cool. Faux carbon fiber throughout. Well, that changes the ride height. Oh yeah, that raises it up. Do it in park so I'm not holding the brake. Wow. Didn't know it made that big of a difference in ride height. I will say flat out, this thing is awesome. I love it. Tons of features throughout. It's just overall a really nice vehicle. And the fact, some people are going to be upset, oh, it's a 4-cylinder. It's a supercharged 4-cylinder. So how it works, supercharger takes care of the low RPM, turbo takes care of the high RPM. Supercharger cuts off about 4,000 RPM, turbocharger takes off from there. This one currently has a chime, so when speed limits change, it lets you know. There's a setting to shut it off, but I don't feel like digging through it and shutting it off, so. This thing's nice. This is really, really nice. If the truck would stop sneezing, that'd be nice. One, two, three, green light, please. How did I get stuck at the longest red light in the area? Open that. Oh. And it's refrigerated. That's awesome. Handling is actually really impressive, especially for a vehicle this size. That's the biggest thing here, is you can't go into it expecting it to drive like an X60R from years past. But on the other hand, it doesn't drive much worse. And for a vehicle of this size, a full-size SUV like this, that is very impressive. Paddle shifters work well, actually. And this thing is impressive. It's really impressive. I'm not just saying that because I'm reviewing it for the dealership. No, it's honestly impressive. I would buy one if I was in the market for an SUV. Oh man. Yeah, I see why. I see why the guys at Volvo told me to try this thing. This thing is awesome. I think he told me this is like the only one for sale in New England, this spec, the T6R design. They were hard to come by too. This one's only like 9,000 miles on it. It is mint. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.